Hello guys, welcome to IT Techie. Today we are going how to install IIS server on Windows machine. Okay, so let's start now. Let's click on launch instances. Then we have to search Windows machine here. Then we have to select R2 base. Windows server R2 base. You can see this is the one. Okay, let's click on this select button. After that we have to select here free tier eligible. Since if you are using the free tier, then you can select this free tier only. Otherwise, as per your requirement, if you are creating this for organization purpose, so based on that your requirement you can select all those things. Okay, so currently for demo purpose I am using free tier eligible. Okay, now let's click on this configure instance details. Then here number of instances you can see I mentioned one, so for demo purpose I'm just creating only one. So if you want more you can just select it here, 5 or 10 or 15, whatever it may be according to your requirement. Then this requirement subnet and all we currently we no need to use here. Okay, so we are keep as it is as a default. Okay, let's click on this add storage now. After that here we have a default root volume, it will come. Okay, once we launch this one, it's a default snapshot, it will come this one, and this default 30 GB memory is available. Okay, if you want you can add the additional one also here, but currently I do not require, so I'm not adding here. Okay, now let's click on this add tag. Now give the tags of this name. Okay, of this instance. So I'm just giving this for IIS purpose. Let's see, so we can give any name here. Okay, so if you are going to add this EC2 instance on the dev environment, let's go and add. For understanding purpose I'm just giving IIS, since we are going to install IIS on this machine, right? Okay, now let's click on this configure security group. Now here it is asking that it is you have create a new security group. If we do not have any existing security group, we are going with the new, and if we have existing, then let's click and select according to. Okay, so currently I am going to create a new security group. For accessing the internet, let's select here HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, now HTTP and HTTPS I have selected. Now let's click on review and launch. Let's select. After that you can select the new key pair. Okay, and give that name of that 26, and it's a Windows machine, and download that. Launch instances. So it's successfully launched now. Now here you can see it is currently it is showing in pending status, but after within 3-4 minutes it will showing in running status. Okay, once it is showing in running status we will proceed further. Okay, let's wait for that. If you are launching a Linux machine, it will be running within a second or within 10 or 15 seconds. Okay, but since it is we are launching the Windows machine, due to that it is taking more time. Yeah, you can see guys, now it is showing in running mode, right? Now let's go and connect with this machine. Now select this one. Okay, and let's click on connect button, then select RDP client, then download the remote desktop file. After that click on this get password button. Okay, so still it is not ready to use, so let's wait for some more time. Let's click again, click on connect, again click on RDP, and again click on this. Since we already downloaded this remote desktop file, you can see here. Now let's click on this get password. Here, now ready to use, you can see. Now click on this browse button, and just recently we have downloaded one POM file, right? That file we have to load it here. Okay, you can see Jan 26 Windows file just now we have downloaded, right? So same file we have to load it here, and we have to decrypt this file. Yes, we are going to decrypt now. Now you can copy this one and you can note down, for security purpose we require this. Now open this RDP file. Let's click on connect. Sorry. Then copy your password. Yeah, it's starting now. You can see remote machine. Yes, you can see we have launched successfully Windows Server 2012 R2, right? You can see that, and it is showing only one drive here, that is C drive. You can see guys, only C drive we have. Let's close this one. Now here you can see that your public IP address, your private IP address, at which as our zone it was launched, so that everything it will mention here. Okay, so now let's go for installing the IIS server. How we can start? Let's click on this server manager here. Then you can see under the configure this locals, in that the first step it is showing add role and features, right? Let's click on that. Then click on this next. Then here it will show two option. One is role based or feature based installation, or remote desktop service installation. So you keep it as is as a role based. Let's go and click on next. Then here it will show only one server, that is win this one. You can see this is our server. Okay, now let's go and select next. Here we have to install IIS server, so let's select that IIS server. This is the one. Okay, web server IIS. Let's select that and add features. Okay, let's click on next. Okay, and then again click on this next. Then again click on next, and click on install button, right? Now it started installation. You can see, yeah, you can see that installation is started now. It is taking so much time. You can see guys, yes, you can see guys, here installation succeeded, right? You are able to see. Now let's go and click on close button. Now we have successfully installed IIS, and here it is also came IIS. You guys, you can see that earlier it was not there, but now it is showing IIS, right? And here also it is showing IIS. Now let's go on C drive. One more modification we required here. Go under the C drive, then inet pop. You can see this folder is available under this. Again go here, and you can see here www root. Okay, and here two default file it is showing here, right? So let's go and click this all two files. Now here we have to create one index.html file. Let's select this. You can say welcome to IIS server. Okay, and we have to, what we have to do, on the same location we have to make it as a save as a, we have to save this file as a index.html. Okay, you can select this all files, and now here we have to select index.html. Let's save and close this. Now you can see index.html in this logo it is showing, right? Now let's click on this default text file. Okay, now let's go our public IP address here, our AWS console, and let's copy that public IP, copy and hit here, and you can try to access that server. Yes guys, you can see everybody, welcome to IIS server. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.